Let's take a look at the Lynx Barcode Reader app, one of the applications available for use with the Toro Lynx Central Control System. We select the Barcode Reader app and we're presented with our login screen. Lynx Barcode Reader app uses the same username and password as Lynx Mobile. If you already have a Lynx Mobile account, which is found on the Advanced Setup Preferences page in Lynx, you type in your username and password and then sign in. If you don't yet have a Lynx Mobile account, contact the Toro NSN at 1-800-ASK-TORO and request that you have a username and password configured. So we type that in and we sign into the Lynx Barcode Reader app. Your device then will use its wireless connection to reach out to the Lynx mobile server housed at the Toro NSN in Abilene and find your account, log into the account, and then send requests from the app to that server account. Lynx will be looking for information on that account so that the connection between your device and the Lynx computer is the Lynx mobile server in Abilene. On the home screen of the Lynx Barcode Reader app, in the upper right-hand corner we have an information button. This will provide access to the version number, the privacy statement. If you want some real heavy reading, click on that. And if you're using the app on a phone, there's a hot link to call the Toro NSN by tapping on the 1-800-ASK-TORO. In the upper left-hand corner of the home screen, we see the username that we've logged in at, and that is our conduit to log out of the app. 3 buttons available on the home screen: New Decoder, Replace Decoder, and Review Decoder List. The Lynx Barcode Reader app is designed to allow you to use the camera built into your device to read the barcode on the Lynx decoder module. Each decoder module has a unique address that is captured in the barcode. Conventionally, you have to read the number printed on the label, write it down, take that list back to the office, spread it out on the coffee table, fire up Lynx, and type in the serial numbers. With the Barcode Reader app, you can use the camera to capture the information and use your wireless connection to send that list back to the computer. Let's show you how to add a new decoder using the Lynx Barcode Reader app. Click on New Decoder. The top of the screen is where the address is going to be placed, either by using the camera or by tapping into the box and using the keyboard. So you can type in an address, or you can use the camera on board the device to read the barcode. Let's select the camera option, and I'm going to read in the address on the decoder module sitting right here in front of me. There, we got it. The camera is going to read in the decoder serial number and place that into the address field. You select which group and which station group this decoder is going to be placed onto. We've read in from Lynx that we have 3 gateways available to us. So we pick the gateway that this new station is going to belong to. We then pick the station group that this is going to belong to. So if we're going to add this decoder to gateway number 2, station group number 2, the app reads out of Lynx that the first available station to use is station number 671. We define how many offsets are on this decoder module: 4, 2, or 1. The module that we have in front of us is a 1 station, so we're going to put this onto station 671. Now, we can also test this new decoder. We tap on the test button and we confirm that this is connected to gateway number 2, station group number 2, station 671. We confirm its address and offset, then we tap on the test button. The app is going to send a command to Lynx that includes the decoder serial number, and Lynx is going to send out a turn on command for that station. So before we actually have to go back to the office, type it into Lynx in order to try it, we can test it right there by just using the camera to read in the serial number and then tapping on the test button. Once we've confirmed the operation of the decoder and the information about that station, we then save that and move on to the next decoder. This could be used while you're setting up a system. This can be used when you're adding a new area to the course. You can add as many decoder modules as you like save them to a list. Once you're ready to send your list of decoders back to Lynx, we click on the Review Decoder List. We confirm the address of the stations that we've added, their serial numbers, and at the bottom of the screen we have our Send to Lynx button. At this point, your app is going to generate a CSV file, comma-separated value file, and send it to Lynx. It's going to be received by Lynx and placed into the Documents folder. The file itself will have a time and date stamp showing when it was sent, and it will also have a group number and the quantity of stations added, so you can tell which part of the course you were working on. The second operation that the Lynx barcode reader app was designed to support is the onesie-twosie replacement of decoders once the system's been installed. So let's talk about how to replace an existing decoder. Click on the Replace Decoder button, and the first thing we do is type in the address of the unit that we're going to replace. So you go to the field, you expose the number, you can read it in with the camera, or if you know what it is, you can type it in. So let's say we're going to replace decoder module number 98765. First thing we do then is we tell the app, find that serial number in the Lynx control system. And it comes back and tells us that serial number 98765 is located on Group 1, Station Group 1, and it's station number 14. Second thing we do is type in the new address. So let's say we're going to replace that old one with module number 12345. So we type in the new number, and we can dismiss the keypad and then test that new one. So we've just plugged in the new one, taken out the old one, connected the wires to it, and we want to make sure that it works. So we don't have to go back to the office and type it in. We don't have to initiate a command from the keypad. We can do it right there in the field. We read in the new number, and we hit the test button. Lynx is going to get a command from the app that says, turn on serial number 12345, so we can confirm that it works before we actually swap it out. So once we've confirmed that the new decoder works, to replace that in Lynx, we tap on the Replace Decoder button, and we're sending a command now to say, change the serial number of station number 14 from 98765 to 12345. The acknowledgement we received back confirms that Lynx got the new command and changed that serial number in the control system database. When completed a session with the Lynx barcode reader app, to log out, tap on the username in the upper left-hand corner, and then confirm that you want to log out. Thanks for taking a minute with us to look at the Lynx barcode reader app. Hope you enjoy its usage.